I had my Google linked initially, and then when you added the ability to do contact sync settings, all I get is a spinning icon. Like it won't. So then I deleted my account, and I'm trying to re-add it, and I can't seem to get an authorization ability.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay. Whenever you go into integrations, go into Google here, you're saying that you're not getting anything there. One thing
it was hooked up before, and then when you had the full integration, I tried to do the contact sync and the calendar sync, and it wouldn't give me anything other than like a spinning icon that it's working. So then I thought, okay, well, maybe I've got to delete my Gmail authorization and do it again. And now I'm just getting the spinning on the Google authorization, like when I try to add a new account.
Does it come up with the pop-up at all? Do you see any kind of pop-up? Okay.
No.
Do you have a pop-up blocker in the browser itself?
I'm in Safari, and I'm still fairly new to Apple. So do you know where I'd look for that?
Well, typically it'll show in the address. Let me see if in Safari, if it does.
Maybe it's time to download Chrome on your Safari.
Yeah, I personally do use Chrome, but Safari should work just fine as well.
I'll log in. I'll log in on my Chrome. Hold on.
Yeah. What I have seen before is that in this upper section in the address itself, it could have a little pop-up blocker, and if you're not getting the pop-up whenever you go to let me switch. This is my my personal account. Let me go to.
Oh yeah, so I'm in Chrome now. Just Safari wouldn't let me do it. So that's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm betting that the pop-up blocker is blocking it, and you just need to turn off the blocker. Is what I'm guessing there.
Okay. Yeah, I should be able to get that sorted out.
Awesome.
Okay.